Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Harris Solstice 230. So starting back here on the far back, you can see we've got this beautiful stainless tow bar right in front of our Mercury 300 horsepower outboard. So a ton of power for this 23-foot tune here. You know, you'll be able to pull any kind of skis, wakeboards, any tubes. With a lot of fun with this much power behind this boat. Also back here, you got these nice dedicated fender storage rails as well that attach to your safety chains here. It puts a good spot for you to leave your fenders once you get underway so they're not taking up any space in your onboard storage or on the deck itself. Moving on up a little bit, you can see we've got this nice big lounger right here. So huge storage underneath this compartment. And this is a rocking lounger, so it can switch so you're facing aft here. And then if you remove that cushion over there, you're able to lay it all the way flat and create a nice big sun pad under here. Moving on up a little bit more, you can see we've got this nice lounger on the port side here. It's also where your hideaway trash can is stored. So it kind of keeps that out of sight, out of mind. That way, once you get back to the dock after a fun day on the water, you can just take all your trash out in one foul swoop there. A little bit over here, you can see we've got this beautiful looking helm. It's very sporty looking with the Simrad in between those two analog gauges there. And then you've also got this very nice hand-stitched flat bottom steering wheel from Harris, really contributing to that sporty look mentioned before. This does have a nice full swivel captain's chair on the raised helm with the model C deck on the bottom here. It's a really good look on this boat, and it raises you up and lets you see over the bow. Awesome captaining feel on here. We've also got a massive compartment in the in-floor storage that drops right into your center tune. You'll be able to fit full skis, wakeboards, anything in there. See, we got the cover poles in there now. And then over here, right in front of your side door, you've got this nice flip-up table you can kind of use as a mixing station, maybe put some snacks, some drinks up on there. It's a very convenient way to have that when you're out on the water, when you're anchored out just trying to enjoy some sun, something like that. Folds up super easily, and you stow it away once you get underway again. Moving on up to the bow, you can see we've got this nice big area with these twin loungers on either side. They do have the flip down armrest and storage underneath each of these seats here. Got cup holders on either side, 3 on both sides, and USB and USB-C plug-ins as well on both sides. This boat has also got a JL audio stereo system throughout the boat. It's a very powerful, loud stereo system. It lets you enjoy your music while you're out on the water. And then one of my favorite aspects of this boat is this removable jump seat here. So you do get storage underneath here, and it's what fills in the bow. But let's say you're going out with just a few people, you don't need that extra seating. You're able to kind of pull this out, and that fully comes off, and you can leave it at the dock and have this open spot and have your front fence open as well. If you got any questions about this boat or anything else we offer at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828. That's me, Blake Holbrooks at MarineMax.